In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a messenger bot for gyms. So what it's going to do is tell members about the services that you offer and then push them to book an appointment with a personal trainer. So if you want to get this template, all you got to do is go to bit.ly/MC templates. That's bit.ly/MC templates. Again, this is called Promote Services for Gyms. And you can also browse through all of our different templates that we offer there on our website. If you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have, then head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. When you go there, you're going to be opening up a Facebook Messenger window, and then you're going to need to type in the word learn when that window opens. So make sure that you're logged in and you type in the word learn. Now, this PDF and video walkthrough that you're going to get is going to teach you all about how you need to be setting up your ManyChat messenger bots. So now let's go ahead and jump into this ManyChat template tour talking about the gym services and how this thing was built. All right, so here we are in the ManyChat platform in the growth tools section where it all starts. Now this template comes with two growth tools, the Facebook ads JSON growth tool and the Messenger ref URL growth tool. So the first message is going to say, "Hi there, welcome to gym name on Messenger. If you're ready to start working out, click the button below to get started." Now, everything above this dotted line is us just giving you insight into how you need to craft this message. So you'll want to delete all of this information above there. So if they say not happy about it, then they're going to be tagged gym newbies and they're going to receive this message right here. You can do this. I have a lot of great information for you. So let's get started. Click the button below if you're ready. If they say, yes, I'm 100% ready, then they're going to be tagged serious gym goers, and then they're going to get this message right here. This dude is going to be dancing around on the treadmill. It's going to say, perfect. I love to hear that. I'm glad you're excited. And then it's going to say, I have a lot of great information for you that will get you introduced to the gym, tell you everything you need to reach your goals here. So click the button below and let's get going. So as you can see, no matter what button they click, they're going to be tagged, and then it is going to lead them to this message. Great. Before we get started, would you mind telling me your goals? Are you trying to lose weight, gain weight or muscle, or just get healthier? Click the button below. So once they click that button, it's going to add a respective tag, whether it's lose weight, gain weight or muscle, or get healthy, and then it's going to send them this message right here. Awesome. Now let's go over the options you have at the gym. So typing delay 4 seconds. By the way, if you have any questions at all, just click on this button right here and it will send you this message. You can contact us at phone number for immediate assistance. Let us know your question by typing it in here, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, when they type in their question, then they are going to be notifying the admins on the page so that the admins of the page can jump in there right away and start messaging back with that person. Now, back to the message. If they just kind of pass through, they don't click on that button, typing 8 seconds delay, and then this card is going to hit them right here talking about personal training, talking about how they get a free session, about their trainers, their rates, things like that. Typing delay is going to happen. Definitely make sure you want to take advantage of the complimentary training. Another typing delay is going to pass, and then it's going to say, we also offer tons of classes that are completely free and unlimited with your membership. We just ask that you sign up before you show up at a class, right? And then they're going to be shown this message right here that is going to talk about CrossFit, cycling, yoga, all the different classes. You can easily click in here and change the copy, change the images, change the information that's really inside this message right there to make it obviously more applicable for your exact business. Another typing delay goes by. Another message gets sent saying, plus we have a ton more amenities that are open to everyone, no signups required. Check it out. So here, just talking about the amenities of your gym, you got a sauna, you got a pool, you got a studio room. If you got a steam room, I guess it says sauna and steam room right there, so I guess that's covered. Or but if you want to make them separate, you can put all your different gym amenities in there. And then another typing delay. And then you say, take a look at anything that interests you. And remember, anytime you have questions, feel free to call us at this number right there. So they're going to get that message right there, and then it's going to wait 23 hours because the goal here is to get them to call the gym, book their free training, reach out, and get started with the gym and all of its amazing services. Then after 23 hours, they're going to receive this follow-up message right here saying, hey, first name, have you had the chance yet to schedule your free one-on-one training session? Click an option below. Now, if they click not interested, they're going to receive this message down here saying, okay, if you choose to sign up later, I'll honor the free training. As long as you're still a member of the club, you can call us here. You can book your free session here. Good luck. Let us know if you need anything. If they say not yet, they're going to get tagged personal training lead, and they're going to get sent this message right here. Jennifer Lopez giving a little attitude. You can easily change these GIFs just by clicking on the image and then uploading your own GIF. And then the text here says, okay, let us know if you have any questions before you sign up. You can call us at XYZ, or just click on the button below to book your free training session right there. If they say, I did, then they're going to get tagged personal training lead, and they're going to be sent this message right here saying, sweet, perfect, we look forward to seeing you soon. So that is the entire gym flow. It goes from opt-in, message, interacting with them, giving them a bunch of info in this message right here, and then you got a delay that happens for about a day, and then a follow-up message sequence right there. So again, if you want to get this template, head over to bit.ly/MC-templates. That's bit.ly/MC-templates. If you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet, it's a PDF download and comes with a video walkthrough going over the 11 crucial ManyChat messenger bot features that you need to have and you need to be using, then head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. We'll send it to you in a Facebook message. So you got to sign into Messenger and you got to type in the keyword learn when that message box opens. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.